Hello guys, welcome back. This is Osmosis FX, and right here with me we have a Usdcad. I quickly want to go over Usdcad because I saw a potential move, and I'm looking at let's see how many pips. Is about 218 pips. 218 pips. If you can see 218 pips, wow, that's a lot, guys. You know what some people can use that 218 pips to do, so it's a lot. So I quickly want us to go through Usdcad and let's see what we have. So let's go down to monthly. So from 12 month, let's look at what we have on a 12-month view. Now 12 month is looking really bearish because we have all lows to be cleared. All lows here cleared. First low cleared, second low cleared, and probably the third low. Let me unlock this. This is the third low cleared also. So all lows cleared, which signifies that they are pushing the price down to the lows. So where is the possible supply zone? So we have how did price sell off here? We have rally, base, drop, base, drop. So for price to do rally, base, drop here, this is where the change of character happened, and there's a supply zone, fresh supply zone here, and price is looking towards that supply zone. Okay, so since we have gotten that, then what do we have in here? Okay, let me just leave this one and let me edit this one to give me a proper view that this is where we are going. I just wanted to use 2 points of mark to really give a view of where we are going. So we're currently bearish though, but we need to come back into the zone. Sometimes I like to see the midpoints of the zone. I like to see the midpoints and like it a bit thicker. Yeah, I like it like this. So that's the midpoints of that zone. So all we are doing here is a retracement. So what happened in this retracement? We have drop, base, drop. We have rally, drop, base, rally. This is where the change of character happened. So this is a retracement. Retracement chalk. So take that down. So there's a demand here, so this looks like it's not useful here. Also this looks like it's not useful here. Also this looks like it's not useful here. So rejection week, creating relative highs. So we have a relative high here, which is a form of liquidity for this sell. So I'm not interested in selling anything here. I'm only interested in selling in this zone because everything here is a liquidity, and I'm only interested in buying in this zone. If price should come back here before getting here, then we might see a buy. But the way price is looking, we have a strong rejection from here, and we have a liquidity sweep first. So price on internal range liquidity, which was shown in the other internal range. Price on this internal range, so we're heading out for external range. So let me make sure I mark it internal range, into range, liquid. So I push this to the down, make it in bold, visibility down to fine. Then I like to lock it. So price cleared out internal range liquidity. We are heading out for external range. So let me change this one to external. Slash relative highs. Okay. So I think this should be 14. It's bigger than 12 is fine. Visibility is fine. Okay. So we just saw it, internal range taken. We're heading for external range. So let's go down to 6 months, 3 months. Okay, all the months should be mine. So let's take a look at it properly. So this is still the internal range liquid taken. This is the external range. Okay, let's go back to where we stopped. Internal range liquidity taken, so we have the external range liquidity up for grab, and price is still looking pretty as it is on 12 months, still looking very pretty. Yeah, we still have almost the same levels marked out. Okay, let's go to 3 months. 3 months still the same. Internal range taken by the rally base rally, so we have a demand here. Let me see, we have a demand at this zone. This is monthly demand. For pricing come toward it. Monthly demand, yeah. Pricing come here. We have a sweep. Rally base rally, so I can place something here that states that this is where the market changed. This is where it changed. Base rally. After this sweep, this is where we ascertain a change of character. So we have a demand here as well that for me has been tested though. Here, alright, if I use the full body, you can see price closed inside this zone before pushing. So this zone has been tested to me. If I get an entry here though, my stop loss should be below this, but you can see this 3 months view. Now if taking out this external range, I have some buy sides waiting. I have this buy side waiting. I have this buy side also waiting. So I have some buy sides waiting for me to come in. Now we have some sweep also here. And the sweep before we see price turn up. Let's sweep, we start moving higher. So let's go down to monthly. So in the monthly, when we have this sweep, price still came back. To the sweep. Price pushed. So the sweep, we have price taking out this high. So price did that. Price rested this zone and we pushed. So we have to complete these two zones. So let's go down to weekly. I'm a trend line fan, but sometimes I don't base my buyers only on trend line. I have a lot to see to clarify me before I can base my buyers. So I don't kind of like to use trend line to base my buyers. So this is where we are. We have this high to be our major goal. We have a liquidity. Price came in here. We have some reaction in here. Price pulled up. Take out this high, but failed to take out this last one. came back down. So this one that is going, our mission here is to take out this high, which is what's the price level in this zone? 139775. That's the price level in that zone. So I know price is high in that zone. There's a lot of sniper. We need to take out that zone. So everything we are doing from this zone is we are building liquidity. Not really liquidity, we are building price hope. Rather, we are building price hope to take out this buy side. So on a daily, this is still our goal. We currently sold for some while, and presently we are inside the main domain. So let me zoom out so we can see price moved, rally base, rally formation. Price came back, pushed, came back, pushed, came back, pushed, came back, pushed, came back, pushed. So back, price came back, then we push, created liquidity, here. Price tap into an area of a rally, base rally. Price use this as a liquidity. I had some buys on this zone, which I held, though gave some few profit, but I left it, so it took me out. After giving profits, it took me out. So I knew when I was taking out here, I wouldn't be taking out here, because the market is still bullish. No matter what is showing, the structure is still bullish. We are still breaking highs. We've been breaking highs from here, and we are still bullish. We've not seen any bearish content yet, so I'm still strongly bullish. Even if the trend line is expanding and it's big, it doesn't affect me. It only affects me when my bias has changed, and my bias hasn't changed because the price action hasn't changed. We're still breaking highs. So when I saw that we were still breaking highs, I was interested in this next move. Now this next move, what got my attention in this next move is the liquidity here and how price reacted when price got into this zone. We have a strong rejection push for days, 2 days I think, and we have a correction push higher. So we corrected, you can see how many days, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So immediately price tapped into this. I was waiting for price to break this high, which was the supply on a 4 hour. I was waiting for price to break it, but price didn't break it. Price didn't break this 4 hour, but price has created a flip in this zone. We have a sweep of liquidity and we have a change of character into this. So this doji candle is really suspect for me. So that was no, I wasn't happy about that. I wasn't happy about that. So I was waiting. I just had to close this position here. So let me delete this. I've closed this position. I only have this position on. So what I'm waiting for now, I really didn't want this to hold. First of all, for a true confirmation, I need a supply to be taken. That's the true confirmation. I need a supply to be taken. And presently price is inside the supply zone. I want price to take out this supply zone so that I'm rest assured that supply has been taken. Now we are going to be taking out supplies. So this gives me a lot of worry, but all the same, structure still remain the same. Structure still remain the same, so nothing changed in structure. Structure is still bullish, nothing changes. So what I'm just going to do is to find more positions. So this is my next OB for more position. This is where I am waiting for price, because we have a liquidity sweep and we have a change of character. So in a demand zone, take it in a demand zone. So I had this drawing because I'm so much interested in EU Usdcad trade. So I took loss. Imagine taking loss from around, I bought here, I bought here, I bought here, and I took loss around here. Our market closed, I think, under here. They closed under here, so I took loss here, and I have another limit here. So every trade I took here for the buy was a loss. So I now had to redirect myself to the structure. And then I realized that okay, I was buying at the liquidity zone. It's not my fault. It's not my fault though. I was buying at a liquidity zone, so it's not a good one, but I learned my lesson the hard way, you know. But still, it's still fine. This is the liquidity grab for this zone. So when I got in there, I have an entry here, which was my first entry, and my second entry was here. So my first entry got picked, and when news came in, it picked up my second entry. So I just closed my first entry, which was here. I just closed it now at this side, because I would have held this position if it has broken this supply. If it has broken this supply, then I'm surely going to stack another position here. But because it didn't break the structure, so it's better I take some partials. Will be my target market, meaning my father is not the owner of the market, so the market gives you something, take it and just wait for a good opportunity that comes later. So I've taken two positions out here. I only have this extreme, and the more reason why I'm leaving this extreme is I believe there is no 4-hour candle that can come and take this extreme out, only if we are continuing on the sell trend. That's all. But before morning, this is 10:31, before 9 a.m. for the New Year section, I would have taken out, closed out the position in break even. So I want to see a reaction in here, and as we're going to have it, there is news tomorrow 1:30 for USD and 3 p.m. so I'm hoping we should have an impulsive move from those news. Also, we check out the XAUUSD bought today massively, massive buy today. So we had a lot of push from the XY today, which helped Usdcad to really push up, which was a good one for me, and I'm so happy about that. So next I'm lucky to buy on a daily, you can see, for those that love candlestick, this is a solid morning star candlestick. This is textbook example. But on smart money, we're not concerned with that. We are really concerned with the volume. Where is the volume coming on? Where is the price the volume is coming on from? And now this two candle that overshadowed this one couldn't break the high of this candle, instead creating a double top. So this is another sign that we'll probably take out this guy. So I just want to zoom in to see. So you see, this is relative high. Also, this candle was able to engulf above this candle. So those that trade on a daily would have taken entries from here. Their stop loss will be below here, but I don't do daily entry. Instead, I would love my entry to be from 4 hour down to 1 hour. So I have 4 hour here. I have 4 hour here. I want a confirmation of a buy. The confirmation of the buy states that we must take out one supply. Supply taken. Who is responsible? This guy. So we need to take out this guy. So on 3 hour, you see, these days industrial candle that took out liquidity before sweep. On 2 hour, we have a doji. On 1 hour, we have that same candle that shows on 3 hour, on 1 hour. If you go to 45 minutes, that same candle is still there. So this candle shows me relative options from 3 time frame, which also verify my entry. To me, gives me more relaxed option on this entry, because I got validation from 3 time frame, 45 minutes, 1 hour, and 3 hours. So when I saw that 3 time frames share the same order block, then it makes me so confident. But what would have given me extreme confidence is waking up to see that there's a change of character here, and maybe some news will sell off tomorrow. If the news sell off and we drop in here, I would love to add positions. I'm seriously going to love to add position. I already have one position at the tip, which is 36,780. I would love to see another position apparently at this zone. I'm not expecting price to get this deep though, but if I see price in this deep, I will add one more position, which confirms that we've taken this side, no problem. I'm free jets. I'll just add one more position. Okay, I think that's that on Usdcad. Major goal for Usdcad is this monthly view. So you can see if we buy from here, then I should hold for the month to get to the zone. I should hold to the zone, max the zone. Then if I have the energy, I can hold for the external range liquidity to be taken. Once the external range liquidity is taken, I should be expecting some sell setups. But because we are about to take the external range, I'm just following up on what we have here. Okay, I think that's that on this particular run. So I want to use this as an extra confirmation. Yeah. So I have this 3 dots, 1, 2, 3 dots. So where am I expecting this to go? So you can see this is even the best trend to have. So price is ascending upward. This is high. lower, higher low. So we're expecting a high. So I'm impulsively buying. You can see. So we should be expecting price in this zone. Apparently, we need to take out the external range. So we are just building up our views down to that zone. Alright, that's that on Usdcad. I hope you guys find some good information out of all this information that I just dropped on Usdcad. I'm still interested in adding more position, but I want to have a good position as possible. If it's a bad position, once it's in profit, I take it out. I'll look for a good position, which I'm going to leave. Presently, this is the only trade I'm running on, the one here. So if I see a pullback, I'm going to enter, especially in here. But I'm waiting to see price take this out first. We have a supply here. Then I want to see a proper move, because on the norm, we are supposed to revisit this zone of price higher. Okay, that's that on EUCAD for week 4. I haven't dropped EUCAD for some while because I was waiting for the setup to cook. Now that it's done, let's bring some spawn to it inside. Thank you guys. You know I love you guys so much for your comments, subscription. I adore you. See you another time.